Another practice for IB Math AISL in arithmetic series. The first term of a finite arithmetic series is 18, so it is the U1. And the sum of the series is minus 210, in which we don't know how many sequence, so we can just write Sn equals to minus 210. The common difference is minus 3, in which d equals minus 3. So there are n terms in the series, yes, and we don't know about it. But now we need to show that this thing is equal to minus 210, in which, because we already know that it is the Sn, so we can just write the formula. So Sn is equal to the n divided by 2, and then it's the everything inside, 2u1 plus bracket n minus 1 multiplied by d. And now, because we know Sn is minus 210, we can substitute that and write everything the same. Now it's time to substitute what we have, which is u1 and d. So we substitute u1 and d from the value above, and we can flip the left and right hand side. Now we can just tidy them up with expanding the brackets, and after that tidy them up, it will be the same form as the above, in which we have succeeded to show. Now it's time to find n. As we already have this equation, we can just simply work it out. So the first part is we multiply everything with 2, in which it will become n and everything inside the bracket, and also it will become minus 420. Now it's time to expand the bracket, and we will have 39n minus 3n squared equals minus 420. So we want to make everything equals to 0. So we are going to move everything into the right hand side. So we have 0 equals 3n squared minus 39n and minus 420. And we can solve that with GDC by displaying the graph and solving the roots. So we will get that n is either minus 7 or n is 20. Now the thing is, because the term is going on and getting greater in a positive value, so n cannot be negative. You cannot say it's the minus 7th term, right? So we have only take the value of n equals to 20 because n is a positive number. So the final answer is n equals to 20. For more mathematics video, take a look on this playlist and subscribe this channel.